Welcome to Hello Kids, a world of fun and inspiring moral stories for little hearts and bright minds. Here, every story brings a new lesson, sparking curiosity, kindness, and wisdom in young minds.
Once upon a time in a busy city, there was a boy named Rian who never appreciated what he had. He always wanted more toys, more food, and more fun. But he never said thank you for anything. One day, while playing in the park, Rian discovered a beautiful tree with the golden leaves and silver branches. As he got closer, the tree spoke. Hello, young boy, I'm the talking tree. If you appreciate what you have, I'll give you the magical fruit. Rian was surprised but excited. I don't need to be grateful, just give me the fruit, he demanded. The tree shook its branches but nothing fell. The tree said, try again tomorrow. The next day, Rian saw his friend Emma sharing her lunch with a hungry bird. She smiled and said, I'm lucky to have food. Rian felt confused why she is so happy with so little. That evening, he went back to the talking tree. This time, he looked the beautiful sky, felt the cool breeze and said, I am lucky to have such a nice park to play in. Suddenly, a golden fruit dropped from the tree. The tree laughed. Now you understand. Gratitude opens the door to the happiness and blessing. From that day on, Rian always said thank you and appreciated what he had. And guess what? He felt happier than ever. Moral of the story, gratitude brings the true happiness. What we appreciate, what we have, we receive even more in return.